Are you looking for a calming and uplifting diffuser blend?
We have one for you. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
From Simply Earth. We're aromatherapists and we love using essential oils to make our homes toxin-free.
And making recipes like these.
Shout out to our subscribers who get 4 oils, including these, in their recipe box this month, who can make this diffuser blend.
And cool little stickers to make all their recipes.
For this diffuser recipe, you'll need 3 drops of our Simply Earth Tranquility Blend. It's a blend designed to help calm you and relax you after a hard day. And 3 drops of lime essential oil, which is a very uplifting and energizing aroma.
All right, here we go. 3.
Yeah.
All right, you gonna put the dome on?
Put the dome on.
Dome on the house.
We're gonna turn on the diffuser. You can turn it on. This is a Simply Earth diffuser, and we like it a lot. You can make it just the steam or just the lights or a variety of lights.
Or turn the light on and off.
So right now, all of the things are on.
Except for the steam.
It
Now
was on. Oh,
steam.
it was on. Here comes the steam in a delightful yellow light. And smell it. What do you think?
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, it's tranquil and uplifting.
I'd say a little of both.
For people who really like this blend like we do, you can grab one of these 5 milliliter bottles
Comes in your bonus box.
of you subscribers and fill it with 50 drops of lime and 50 drops of Tranquility.
And voila, you'll have the blend for a couple months.
As long as you use it.
So for more recipes like this, go to simplyearth.com and check out our blog post.
See you next time.
Bye!